Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply connect your GameSir G7 SE to PS4 and PS5. Now, as you may have known, the GameSir G7 is built for Xbox devices, and connecting it to your PlayStation can have a bit of some issue. So, of course, there's some solution to this, but right out of the box, we cannot do this right here. So what you need to do is to grab yourself a third-party hardware, which is going to be this one. Basically, you want to plug something similar like the USB stick or controller converter onto your PlayStation 5, and then you could plug your USB dongle or the USB connection from your GameSir right here. Now, as of the moment, this is the only way to do this because once again, GameSir is specifically built for Xbox consoles, not for PlayStation. So once again, you want to grab yourself one of these devices. I suggest heading over to something like Temu, Alibaba, or maybe something like AliExpress or eBay to go ahead and look for yourself a GameSir adapter or just Xbox to PS5 controller adapter. So basically from there, you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.